got lights. It's got navigational lights. They come on automatically, but a lot of travel.
Landing socket. I know, right? Just make them sound at home.
Sorry.
Earlier than they forecasted, but it's still not much. You heading out, Mike?
Huh?
You heading out?
Yeah.
Are you mad at Dan again?
Did I do something upset you?
Are you mad at Dan?
No, I'm just frustrated.
I mean, all the rest of us are mad at Dan. Are you not mad at Dan?
No, I'm not mad.
You're not mad at Dave Dan?
Lieutenant Dan? You're not mad at Lieutenant Dan? We'll save your spot. Remember me sending you a text about it? I didn't know that.
Yeah, too bad that doesn't have as much power as that does, man.
No, not nearly.
Well, but is the motor from the Cub gone?
I don't know.
No,
I haven't
you're
done
teasing,
anything.
right? You don't think it has much power?
That one doesn't, no.
It looks like it does.
Well, I mean, it does.